Hello everyone! Welcome to Jodoo. This is Roxanne. Today, we will explore how to create records in another form using a custom button. What is a custom button? A custom button is a configurable trigger that automates tasks or initiates actions within a form, streamlining your workflows across various business scenarios. Let's illustrate this feature with a practical scenario. Imagine you work in the logistics department of a company, handling inventory and procurement of office supplies. You have an inventory management form to track items and stock quantities, and a purchase order form to record the number of items to be purchased. When the inventory falls below 3, you must manually open the purchase request form and fill in the purchase requirements, which is quite cumbersome. Is there a way to monitor inventory and initiate a purchase request all within a single form? The solution is the custom button. By adding a custom button to the inventory form, you can link the inventory form and the purchase request form, allowing you to initiate a purchase order directly from the inventory form. When the inventory number of an item is lower than 3, an employee can click on this custom button. A page for a purchase order will pop up, allowing the employee to fill in the purchase request. By clicking on this button and filling in the record will automatically sync to your purchase order form. This means that any record input by others in the inventory form through a custom button will be collected and synchronized in the purchase order form. That's the effect of using custom buttons to create records in another form. Next, let's learn how to set up a custom button that meets your requirements. After configuring your form, go to the extension page. Click the custom button and then New to add a custom button. Then the design page will pop up. On this page, you can rename the button and change its style, color, and icon. After that, you need to set conditions. The condition is set to ensure that the custom button is available only when the records meet the condition. You can choose when records meet all or any of the following conditions. And there are many relationships you can set. If the entered data does not meet the set condition, the custom button will be unavailable. You can choose to hide the button or show it, but make it unclickable. Hide button is the default state. No button will be displayed in the form when the condition is not met. If you choose to show an unclickable button, you can customize the tooltip to inform members why the button is unavailable currently. It presents like this. Members can view the tooltip by simply hovering their mouse over the button. Next, select Create Records in another form in the drop-down list of triggered action. Choose your target form where records will be created. Then, click Add Fields to set the field values to create records in the target form. Selecting fields and configuring it means that when adding records by custom button, members can only select fields from the main form. Selecting custom means that when adding records by the custom button, the value cannot be changed by members. Selecting empty means that when adding records by custom button, members can enter records according to their needs. After saving the settings above, the page of Select Permission Sets page will pop up. You can set permissions by ticking the permission and clicking the Compete. Or, you can click the button Setup later. In this case, you can configure permission sets in Publish. Go to the Publish section, then select to Members. You can select members to permit them. To display the button in the form, click Other Settings in the Publish page. Choose Custom Button and enable the display in Grid View. Hit OK to confirm your selection. What should be mentioned is that only members with the permission of Add and Manage My Data can view the custom button and use the button when the data meets the set conditions. If a member only has permission to submit, he or she can't see or use the button no matter whether the entered data meets the configured condition. By now, you've got a good grasp of adding records in another form of custom button. It's time to unleash your creativity and set the custom button to meet your needs. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more how-to videos to help you get started with speed and ease.